driving from Grand Canyon to Utah, and along the way we were going to stop at Navajo Monument National Park. However, we got here and everything's closed. We had like a hint that it might be closed, but we just weren't sure. So it's already like 6 o'clock, but we're just going to keep on going to Utah and find a BLM spot. It's kind of a bummer because this place is really beautiful. Driving on the road, it's just kind of like desolate, but you turn in here and a couple of minutes later, everything's so luscious and it's just very beautiful landscape. So definitely a bummer. We made it to the Valley of the Gods BLM area in Utah, just north of the Arizona border, and got here just in time. Like the sun is setting, pretty much set already, but at least we're not parking in the dark. We found this spot over here. This area is just crazy. Everything is red. It's so quiet out here and the sky is super clear. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. It's super desolate here, so I'm very excited to see if there's going to be stars out tonight. Hopefully the moon won't be out. It'll make the stars even better.
So today we are headed, I'm so tired. Today we're headed to this place that's closer to Moab and Canyonlands. Right now we're at Valley of the Gods, and it was a really cool spot. We got here last night, really liked it, but we just want to get to Moab and Canyonlands a lot sooner, so we're on our way. Isn't that, which way do I go?
Yeah, just stay to the left.
To the left, like
yeah. But not too much. Hey there. Right now we're at the Needles Overlook and it's looking right at the Canyonlands National Park. I was actually here a couple years ago with my friends. We were here at night around 10 p.m. and it was very scary, so I'm getting this view for the first time. We just stopped at the Needles Overlook right next to the Canyonlands National Park. Now we're going to drive back the way we came and find a free campsite somewhere along the road. We've made our way up to an area near Arches National Park called Willow Springs Trail. It's a BLM site out here, and for Memorial Day weekend there were so many people, and there still are. Look at this. I haven't done this in a while, but the solar panels are pretty dusty. They're still working really good. You get a lot of efficiency out of it, even when they're dirty, but cleaning them up definitely helps. Wow, that is really clean. You could see against the other one that I haven't cleaned yet, the difference. So I just got done cleaning the panels, and it made me realize that I think I've only cleaned them once before. This is only my second time, so pretty low maintenance, I would say, because they've been charging us every day pretty much. No issues so far.